Hey friends, just thought I'd tell you the old rumble sound. That humming sound is very loud, and I have this sound thing here trying to check it out, so I'll shut up and you can hear the hum sound thumping in the background. I don't know if this is picking it up or not. That's Gizmo. He's wondering what the hum sound is too. That's so loud. No, I checked the Shakers app, and there is an earthquake on the north upper end of California in the ocean. I guess I can show you that too. Alright, so here's this. We'll go back to was mapping. Alright, now you see, this is the map of, that's the closest to us, and that's a 4.1 on the scale. That was about 5 hours ago, and she's still rumbling. Okay, I'm gonna I'll give you an earthquake list here. Okay, here's the earthquake list. 19 minutes ago, a 3.6 in Alaska. So that's the one that we're hearing because that was about 19 minutes. It was so loud that I had to check. And that's the one right there, 3.6 in Alaska. That's making this serious noise. South Sandwich Island is 4 hours ago. But I do believe that's where the noise is coming from, the Alaska shake. 3.6, but that's the closest one to us. If you see, anyway, that's where the earthquake is closest to us. This thing is in Alaska. Well, it's 3.6 in Alaska. That's just making all this noise. You see those 3 dots? This is where all the noise is coming from, folks. I do believe.